Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel where style meets purpose. Today, we're diving into sustainable small living room decor that won't break the bank. Yes, you can make your space look amazing, be eco-friendly, and stay on budget. Let's get into it. Whether you're into modern minimalism or cozy cottagecore, I've got low-cost ideas that are kind to your wallet and the planet. Let's start with the golden rule of sustainable decorating. Buy second-hand first. Check out thrift stores, online marketplaces, or even swap with friends. Look for wooden furniture. It's durable, timeless, and can be refreshed with a little sanding or paint. Next up is upcycling. That old ladder, it can transform into a rustic bookshelf. Mason jars, they can become instant candle holders or planters. With a bit of creativity, you can turn almost anything into beautiful decor. Now let's talk about textiles. Swap synthetic fabrics for eco-friendly options like organic cotton, linen, or jute. They're not only better for the environment, but they also look and feel luxurious. Check clearance sections for great deals or make your own with fabric remnants. Want decor that's alive, beautiful, and sustainable? Add plants. They purify the air and make your space feel fresh. Start with low-maintenance plants like pothos or snake plants. You can even ask a friend for a cutting instead of buying new. Before you buy anything, shop your own home. That throw blanket in your bedroom, try it on the couch. Switch around cushions, repurpose trays, or paint old decor for a fresh look. Sometimes all your space needs is a new arrangement. Let's not forget about lighting. Use LED bulbs to save energy and money. Add warm-toned light to create a cozy vibe without expensive chandeliers. Consider solar-powered lamps near windows for eco-lighting. To wrap this up, remember that with a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can create a living room that reflects your style and values without harming the planet or your finances. There you have it. Budget-friendly, planet-friendly ways to turn your small living room into a stylish sanctuary. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more decorating inspiration. Which tip are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. With that, you're all set to transform your small living room into a stylish sanctuary that's both budget-friendly and sustainable.